Okay, today we'll talk about control account. Control account, we have sales ledger control account. In the short form, it's called SLCA, and it's related to the customer. Okay, for purchasers ledger control account, its short form is PLCA, and it's related to supplier. Okay, so let's say I owe you $100, then you owe me 50. In conclusion, I still owe you 50. Then the max behind will be this minus 50 and that's 50, and then this also minus 50. So this will have $50, and then this will have 0. Okay, so this minus 50 and this minus 50, I would say this minus 50, this is called contra. Okay, so so this one will contra will reduce both amount. Okay, so control will reduce trade receivable, also reduce the trade payable. The double entry will be debit trade payables, credit trade receivables. Okay, now let's go to page 2. Page 2. Okay. So let's see what the question want. Or you want us to do PLCA. So I use the short form PLCA. And then this left hand side is debit, then right hand side is credit. Okay. So this one, yes, double entry, right? So what you do is the item and name. Okay. So item 19, then name also 19. Okay. So let me copy and paste. Okay. Then name. Okay. So this one already mentioned what credit, what debit. So this line we can ignore. So now let's go to next line. Go to next line. What you want? Okay. Okay. So that's the trick part. So first we highlight the item and name. Okay. Okay. So as you can see the purchase here, so is debit, right? But what's the missing line? Okay, here's the thing lah. The missing line is you're not sure what's the missing line, right? Okay. Say so You might wonder what's the missing line, right? Okay, here's the hint. You are doing PLCA, right? So you just put PLCA, just put PLCA inside, like that, So it's quite easy lah. To put PLCA inside. Okay. So this one will be credit. Okay. Then this one, 19. Also the missing line. The missing line is PLCA. Okay. So this one purchase debit, so purchase return credit. Then this one will be debit. Okay. Cash. So it's debit cash. Then no, sorry. Purchase is debit. So cash it will be credit. Okay. Then let's go next one. Okay. Let's see here. This one is a check paid, right? So it's credit bank. Okay. And debit. Okay. Supplier is also known as PLCA. So just put PLCA. Okay. And this one line only. So another line will be PLCA. Then discount received is an income. It's an income. So it's credit. I will scroll down. Okay. Yeah. So this one credit, this one debit. Supplier is related to the PLCA. And then cash paid will credit the cash. Then this one will be debit. Okay. Interest charged by the supplier is an expense. So this one will debit. This supplier is actually PLCA. So this one will credit. Okay. So contra will just debit. Okay. Contra will debit trade receivable. Sorry. Debit trade payable. And then credit trade receivable. Okay. This one I just put, or trade payable can also say PLCA. Or this one trade receivable can also say SLCA. Okay. Yeah. So we can kind of input the data lah. Okay, now let's see the first line is a credit balance BD. Credit balance BD. Okay. So okay. The second line will be debit balance BD. So debit balance BD. Just 130, then 322, July 1. Okay. Now go to next line. So this line is something credit PLCA. So PLCA here, right? Go to PLCA, credit purchase. This one, credit purchase. Bye. Okay. Yeah, I better write down the short form here. Okay. Okay. So this one, PLCA, debit, purchase return. PLCA, debit, purchase return. Also July 31, since it said totals for the month of July. So month of July, the month's end will be July 31. Okay. Let's see the third item. It says cash and purchase. Cash is not PLCA, and then purchase is not PLCA. So don't include. Okay. Don't just ignore. Okay. Now go to next one. Okay. PLCA debit bank. PLCA debit bank by this amount. Okay. Then go to next line. Next line is a PLCA debit in discount receipt. PLCA debit discount receipt. Okay. Let me now go to next line. PLCA debit cash. PLCA debit cash. PLCA credit expense, interest expense. PLCA credit interest expense. Continue. Okay. Okay. So for contra, right? The marking scheme, you know what he say? Get PLCA debit, just put contra. PLCA debit, put contra here. Yeah, this one is a marking scheme. Marking scheme is say just he say like just put contra. The marking scheme suggestion. Okay, then put to 60. Okay, then continue what he say. So at this day, the credit balance CD. Okay, credit balance CD. Credit. So this one will be balance CD of 180. Then we can balance the account. Oops. This one I just remove lah. Okay. So as you can see here, here is the lesser side. So I just put here balance CD. Amount will be 27540. Okay. So don't be confused as two balance CD. Okay. So this one left go to right. Then this one right go to left. Okay. Bring down to next day. Next day will be July 31. Next day will be August 1. Okay. Okay, it's 2022. Okay. So this one is correct. Okay, now let's go to page 4, and then okay. Then what he want us to do? Yeah, he want us to do PLCA. Okay, then this one left hand side is this one debit, right hand side is credit. Okay, so as you can see, what he want us to do is he want us to list down the item and also the name of because of double entry. Double entry, item name. Okay, yeah. So let's find it. Okay, first we need to draw two lines. Okay, let's draw. Okay, as you can see here, one line only, right? So what the missing line? What you are doing here is PLCA. So the missing line will be PLCA. Okay? Yeah. This also same, one line only. One line only. So the missing line will be also PLCA. Okay? This one line only. Okay. Sometimes you need to be careful. just put here PLCA. Yeah, sometimes it try to trick you, so you need to be careful. This one I also put PLCA. Okay. Okay. So this one purchases, so it's debit, and this one will be credit. Then this one purchase return will be opposite side. So this one credit, this one debit, cash purchase. So purchase debit, credit cash. So yes, this PLCA you see here, right? No PLCA, right? Cash is not PLCA, and then purchases is not PLCA. So this one cross. Okay. Then let's see commission receivable. Okay. This one is actually an income. So this one is credit income. But it shouldn't be supplier, right? Supplier you pay supplier, right? But this one is income, right? So it doesn't make sense. So cross it. Okay. Discount receipt. So what you are doing is now PLCA, right? PLCA is supplier, right? Okay. So you are buyer lor. Okay. As a buyer you receive discount. So discount allowed, you don't include. Okay. Then discount received is an income. So credit, this one will be debit. Okay. Then let me scroll down. Okay. Okay, I will scroll down. Okay. Okay. So check paid, so is credit bank. Then trade payables is actually PLCA. So debit. This one credit, so this one debit. Then contrast will reduce PLCA, so it's debit PLCA, and then credit contra. Okay. Okay. So remember, now you are buyer, right? You are buyer. So um so this one you you pay something lah. Okay. So this one interest charge is actually an expense because you pay it. Okay. So this one debit expense. So this one will be credit, and trade payables is PLCA. Okay. Then check refunds. Okay. Then you can see this check refunds, right? Okay. This one is I put here lah, and you get refund. So you receive money, right? Okay. Okay, I better phrase it like that. Okay. Okay, you are a buyer. Okay, okay. Then you get refund. Okay, you are a buyer, you get refund, so you receive money, so you debit it. Okay, so this one check is bank, then debit one, so another one will be credit. This one trade payable will be PLCA. Okay, then uh, then you can kind of input the answer. Okay, okay. Don't forget about this one. This one you don't know what to do, right? So this one, 1 November is actually balance PD. So this one, purchase ledger control account. Okay, as you know, is actually supplier, so it's a liability. So this one will credit. Okay, okay. Well, this amount here at the ending date, right? So this one is actually balance CD. Okay, if there is credit balance PD, so this one will be debit balance PD, balance CD. Okay, so now you can kind of enter the answer. So this one is a credit balance PD question mark. So this one credit balance PD, just put question mark. Okay, at 1 November, what month, 2019. Okay, okay. I will keep silent. Then you try to enter it. Okay. Okay, now we can close the account. Close it. So this one is question mark, right? So so this one a question mark, right? So you will assume total is the same. So this one will equal to this one. Okay. Then you kinda reverse. So this one minus this one minus this one minus this one, you'll get the question mark. Okay. So this question mark is how much? 26675 minus 330 minus 95 minus 14200. So this one will be 12050. Okay. So let's bring down the balance left to right. To also this one is November 30. Next day will become December 1, 2019. Okay. So the answer is correct. Okay, so now let's go to page 6, and then this one will be the homework. Okay, yeah, page page 8 page 8 will also be your homework. Okay, and page 10 also homework. Okay, now let's go to page 12. Okay, page 12. Okay, let's see what he wants us to do now. Oh, so he wants us to do SLCA. This one debit and this one credit. Okay. Okay. Since has debit credit, so two line lor. One is item, one is one line for item, one line for name. Okay. Okay. So two line. I will keep quiet. Okay, this is the line. As you can see, the first line say one line only. Okay, okay. So as you can see, the first line, one line only, right? So the another line, okay, what account we are doing now? Oh, we are doing SLCA. Okay. So another line will be SLCA. Okay? Yeah. So sales is credit sales. So this one will be debit. Okay. Let me copy it. Okay. So this one will be debit. Then cash sales, receive cash. So debit cash. Then this one credit sales. Okay. Cash is not CLCA, sales not SLCA. So remove. Okay. Okay. Bank transfer receive money, debit. This one bank. And customer is SLCA. So debit here, credit here. And cash receive, debit cash. So this one debit, this one credit. Customer is SLCA. Okay. Returns from a customer. So this one is refer to sales. Sales return will debit because sales is credit. Sales return debit. Then this one debit, this one credit. Customers is SLCA. Okay. Okay, let me scroll down. The recover back is an expense. So you debit it. Now this writing off is you remove the SLCA. Okay. Contra will reduce the amount, will reduce SLCA, and then debit contra. Okay, same concept as the reduce the trade receivable lah. Okay, they will reduce trade receivable, so you reduce SLCA. Okay, okay. Now you are doing SLCA. SLCA is the customer, right? Okay. You are doing customer. So you are seller. Okay, seller. So you give discount. So give discount, not receive discount. So discount allowed, I take not give discount, but discount received, I don't give. Okay. Yeah. Let me remove this. Okay. So discount allow, you allow them give discount, so it's expense. So it's debit. Then this one a blank one, so it's refer to SLCA. So this one debit, so this one will become credit. Okay. Let me scroll down. Okay. Again, you are You are seller. Oh, let me kind the. Okay. Again, you are seller. Okay. You are seller. So you charge. You are seller, right? So you receive money, right? So this interest you receive money. Also you receive interest. So this interest is actually interest income. Okay. So interest income, right? So is credit. Then if there is one credit, another one will be debit. Sales ledger account is SLCA. Okay. So this the thing. Okay. Also let's check about the balance. So this one is this one 1 February first day. First day so is just balance PD lah. Okay. Remember this is the balance PD. Okay. Okay. So this one not mention date, right? Assume assume the default lah. The default will be balance PD. Okay. So this one credit balance PD is also balance PD. Okay. Okay. So this one is the workings. Now we can input the answer. Okay. So this one debit balance PD, debit balance PD. Okay. This one credit balance PD, credit balance PD. Okay. Let's continue. So this one, what you say? SLCA debit sales. SLCA debit sales. Wait, let me see. Oops. This one is actually 2021. Okay. So this one, okay. This one you SLCA debit sales. SLCA debit sales. Okay. 2022 Jan 1. Okay. So then cash sales don't do it. So go next line. SLCA credit bank. SLCA credit bank. Think will be the same date. Yeah, it's Gen 31, sorry. So this one is okay. Then let's continue. Next line. SLCA credit cash. SLCA credit cash. The next line. SLCA credit sales return. Okay. SLCA credit sales return by 4,000. Okay. Next line. Okay. SLCA credit bad debt. SLCA credit bad debt. Okay. Next line. SLCA credit control. SLCA credit control. Yeah. Continue. SLCA credit discount allowed. SLCA credit discount allowed. Okay. Continue. This one ignore this one. SLCA debit interest income. SLCA debit interest income. Okay. Continue. This one is say balance BD. I'm not sure what he say this one. Okay. So what it means is actually after you balance the account, right? Okay. Okay, so what it means this whole account, right? Left hand side is debit, right hand side is credit, right? So I kinda write debit and credit here to make it more easier. So what it means balance BD. So it means this one debit balance BD, right? So I just put debit balance BD. Okay, this one question mark. This one is after the total lah, after the line, after the total line lah. Okay, this one total come first, right? Then you put balance BD. Okay, total come first, then put balance BD. Okay, continue. I say this one credit balance BD credit. So the one balance BD. So this one is 0. So I just put 0. Okay. What you need to do you need to do in reverse. This one also you need to do in reverse. You need to think reverse. Okay. 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 So I better use a different color. So this one balance PD, right, go to left one, balance CD. Okay. Then this one balance PD, left, go to right. This one become balance CD. Okay. Balance PD at the right, go to left. Balance PD at the left, go to right. Okay. Yeah. So yeah. So this one has the question mark. This one you calculate later lah. This one 0, right? So let's calculate first. This all add up together. So this one question mark again. Assume. Oops. Okay. Okay, let me write here. Question mark. Assume total is the same. So this will be the same. Okay. Okay. Then you can kind of balance the account as usual. Then this amount you will get let me see what this amount. Okay, this amount you will get is 17809. Okay, this amount will bring down. This amount will be also 17809. Okay, yeah. Try to balance the account, balance it, then you will get this figure. Okay, this is a correct one. Okay, now let's go to next page. Okay. Okay. So as you can see this again. So what we will do, sales ledger control account, we will do as LCA. So this one debit and this one credit. Also the same thing. So name an item 19. This one also 19. That all the same thing. Okay. Okay. So I highlight something for you. Okay. This one, increase in provision for doubtful debt. Okay. This line lah. Okay. Okay. This one is an expense. Yeah, you will learn later chapter. Okay. So this one you will debit. Okay. And then no. This one you debit the income statement. Let me put some shit. this one your debit income statement, then you will credit provision something that lah. This one will done in the third chapter. As now we are doing what account? SLCA, right? This one we are doing SLCA. This one not SLCA, so remove it. This one not SLCA, so this one also remove it. So this one don't record it, don't record it. Okay. So this one I want you to do as homework, which is page 14 homework. Okay. Then page 16 also homework. Okay. Okay, so this one, okay. So page 18 also homework. But here's the thing I want you to highlight. Okay. This one. Dishonored. Dishonored. Okay. Okay. What are the concept? I write here lah. First, this one in the later chapter. Okay. What we will do is like this. First you receive check from customer. Okay. Then you debit the, what you do is you debit bank, then credit the customer name. Then what he do? Then suddenly what happened? Then this all not check. So it's just opposite. You see debit bank, right? Now become credit bank, and previously credit customer. Now become debit customer. Okay. Okay. So this the thing now. Then I give you the double entry here. The double entry will be, okay, debit customer, which is debit SLCA, then credit bank. Okay. Then this one do homework. Then we are done.